Hello, everyone, and welcome to I Know You Know, your one-stop knowledge sharing platform for all things careers, life after high school, as well as opportunities that are available to you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can know when I post my next video. If you find this information valuable or you think it's actually useful information, please do like this video so that others that require this information can find this video on the YouTube platform. This video is geared towards taking you through a step-by-step process of navigating the Bursaries South Africa webpage. I have been sharing a lot of bursaries from this webpage, so you will be familiar with this page if you've been on my, if you've watched my previous YouTube videos. However, I do still get questions from people asking me what or where to find specific bursaries, either for specific industries or specific fields of studies. So I thought that I should film this video, as I don't think a lot of people do know what is available on the Bursary South Africa webpage, and also where to find the specific bursaries that they're looking for. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So when you land on the Bursary South Africa page, this is what you'll see. Of course, that would be the name or the logo, as well as the links to the various social media platforms. Yes, they are on Twitter, Facebook, as well as YouTube. So you can access those right at your top right corner there. And then you'll see that you've got these tabs that are geared towards different things, and that will take you to the different things. The first one, of course, being home, which is where we are right now. Then you have closing soon. This includes bursaries that are closing soon, usually within like the next month or so. And then you get here the different sort of industries: accounting, arts, commerce, computer science, etc. And then here it's general. This would be bursaries that cover because some bursaries aren't specific to a specific industry. So this is where you would find those bursaries. And then you get here government, and under government it's mostly like district and municipalities. And a lot of the times for these, the criteria would be that you need to be from that specific district or municipality in order to be eligible to get a bursary from them. Then you have international bursaries as well, and then law, then postgraduate. I know a lot of people were looking for postgraduate studies or bursaries. So a lot of the times, the ones under these are undergraduate, but not all the time. So even if you're in postgraduate, still do check the different categories. But this category is specifically for postgraduate bursaries. Then you get medical, and then science there at the bottom. And then, of course, you do also get this tab that takes you to NSFAS DHET bursary information. You've got a tab that shows you the different student loans that are available. You've got a tab that tells you about the different universities in South Africa, where you can find university-specific bursaries, and sometimes also information about the different universities. So as you can see, this is quite a good toolbar to have, because you've got sort of all the different categories that you would need to access. But the reason I'm filming this video is because even though this is the case, sometimes people don't know exactly what lies behind these tabs. So I'll go into a couple of them and then just show you exactly what lies behind them. So for example, so I've now clicked the accounting bursary there, and let's just close the ad. So it will say accounting bursaries South Africa 2021 to 2022. What I like about this is, firstly, you get a little bit of a description of what this field entails. And here you can see they even added salary prices or salary levels for the different categories that are available under accounting. So you can get a feel of how much you would be earning if you were to qualify as the specific or qualify for the specific jobs. And then when you scroll down, you then get to the different bursaries. So you can see here it's auditing bursaries for 2021 and 2022. And you'll see here it says 2021 and 2022. So this site is regularly updated. So I would advise as well that if you are looking for a bursary, hectically searching for a bursary, do visit the site more than once. So maybe if you can say weekly or bi-weekly, because they do get updated every so often. And so, for example, now you can see that the site is actually geared for 2021 to 2022. So if you come back again next year, you will see that they will have updated the years. So that helps a lot because it means that the stuff is not outdated. But also beyond just the years, even the different bursaries that are available, they keep adding more bursaries as time goes. So don't just visit the site once, try and come back repeatedly. So as you can see here, they actually do explain what auditing entails. And this is particularly good also as a tool that you can use when looking into what it is that you're interested in. And I think what's also quite nice is that I think in high school, I know I thought that, for example, accounting is one specific field that you go study and you qualify to be an accountant. But actually, under accounting, there's so many things, auditing being one of them. So this helps a lot when it describes exactly what an auditor does and exactly what you need to do to become an auditor. So I'd also advise people to use this site when looking into the different careers that they're interested in, just to get an idea of what it entails and all of that. And then, of course, these would then be the links to the different bursaries that are specific to auditing. Of course, you can see there are quite a lot. Then you get chartered accounting bursaries for 2021, 2022. So by the way, this is still under accounting. You can see there it's still accounting bursaries, South Africa. And then you get chartered accounting. So that's another category under the accounting fraternity on the site. And once again, they explain what it is and the different links to the bursaries. Then you get financial accounting, finance and financial management bursaries. You also get, of course, you can see these are quite a lot. There are quite a lot of bursaries. You get general accounting bursaries as well. Also a list of quite a lot of bursaries that cover that. And that is the end. But the point I'm trying to make here, just scrolling up quickly, the point I'm trying to make is that under accounting, you don't just get one specific field or stream. You get different streams. Let's check the arts and maybe we'll check medical as well, because those are some of the other ones that maybe people might think that it's specific to a certain route or stream. So this would be music, visual and performing art bursaries, South Africa 2021 and 2022. And then they once again explain the arts career field and what that entails. Then they go into dance bursaries. There's a description there as well as a list of bursaries. Then you get drama and theatre bursaries. Then you get fashion and textile bursaries, film and motion picture bursaries, fine art and visual art bursaries, even jewelry design bursaries. You get performing art bursaries as well, music bursaries. And that is it for this category. But I think you get the point I'm trying to make. So when it says art, it's not just, I don't know, like a specific field. Like maybe you think it's just drama or theater, but it actually includes all forms of art for the bursaries that are available. So you just need to know what category your specific interest lies and open that tab and just check what is available. Of course, this is the same for all of the stuff that's available with commerce, computer science and IT, construction and built environment, education, engineering, law, medical as well as science. But I just wanted to open medical as well because it's one of the ones that people have certain misconceptions about. people think that perhaps it's just for people who want to study medicine or want to be doctors or GP. But actually, you'll see the different bursaries that are available under this category as well. The first one being Medical Bursary South Africa 2021-2022. Then you get Audiology Bursaries for 2021 and 2022, Biochemistry, Dietetics and Nutrition Bursaries. You also get Dental and Dentistry Bursaries. I know one of my subscribers actually asked me where they can find dental and dentistry bursaries. This is where you can find them. You get emergency medical care bursaries. And for each bursary, as you can see, once again, there's a little bit of a description as well as the list of or the links to the different bursaries. And for some of them, they even give you amounts that you can expect to make in that particular job. You get ergonomics bursaries, general medical bursaries, health science and health related bursaries, hygiene bursaries, nursing bursaries as well for those that are doing nursing. You get optometry bursaries, occupational therapy bursaries, orthotics and prosthetic bursaries, pharmacy bursaries, physiotherapy bursaries, psychology bursaries, radiography bursaries, as well as speech and hearing therapy bursaries. So the point of this video is just to show you sort of how to navigate this site, specifically to show you what benefits or value addition there is as well to the site beyond just giving a list of the different bursaries. And I hope that it really helps you to navigate it better next time, and just to check for the different fields that you want. I think I've communicated and made my point with this video. So under each category, you don't just find the specific or only one type of bursary or one type of field of study. So you just need to know what category of these categories your specific area of interest falls under, and then you can actually look under that category and then look and see if your specific bursary is there. I know I didn't go through all of them, but I didn't want this video to be awkwardly long and boring because all I'm doing is really just listing what bursaries they offer. But once you watch the part that I filmed, I think even if your specific area of study wasn't covered in the video, you would know exactly where to find it on the site. Let me know if this was helpful to you. I hope it was. And also don't forget that I will be putting the link to the Bursaries South Africa, also known as ZA Bursaries platform, in the description box below. So you can directly go to the platform that I just spoke about and that I've shown you. And I really hope that you do find the bursary that you're looking for. And if not, I do have another video where I have spoken of 10 platforms where you can find bursaries. So it's platforms that are similar to Bursaries South Africa, but also have bursaries on them. So feel free also to watch that video and get to know more platforms that you can check out. I really do believe that there are many opportunities out there. It's just a matter of matching the opportunities with the people that need to find the opportunities or that need to see the opportunities. And that is why I'm passionate about creating and improving access. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable. Please give it a like once again if you haven't already, and subscribe and put on your notification bells so that you know when I post my next video. Feel free to request videos. A lot of people have done so at the bottom of my comments. Feel free to request a video that you are looking for, of information that you're looking for, and I'll definitely do my best to film that video. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next one.